Welcome to our channel. If you received a new Wells Fargo debit card and want to activate it using the mobile app, follow these quick and easy steps. Step 1. Download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app and log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to enroll first. Step 3. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen to view your linked accounts. Step 4. Select the checking or savings account associated with your new debit card. Step 5. Tap on Manage Card or Card Services to access card management options. Step 6. Look for the Activate Card option and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter the last 4 digits of your new debit card. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. You may need to verify your identity by answering security questions. Step 8. Once the activation is confirmed, your Wells Fargo debit card is ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. You can also set up alerts and manage your card settings within the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.